So what is Sunday reset? So for me, it's the day of the week that I clean, I meal prep, I prep for my homeschool week. So for cleaning, I do laundry. So I start washing on Friday. I put all my clothes away on Sunday. I have the kids help me with their own clothes on Sunday. That's the hardest part, to put all the clothes away. And then for cleaning, I'm going to vacuum and then mop my floor. And then I clean my bathroom. So if the kids want to help me, that's great. Aloha, welcome back to my channel, Homeschool in Paradise. Today it's a special, it's Sunday Reset. So this video is part of a collaboration hosted by Angel McMillan. Make sure to check out her YouTube channel. I'm gonna put her link below in the description box. And then also check out the playlist that I'm gonna put in the description box of so many other YouTube creators that are doing Sunday Reset. Yes, I'm gonna take you along and then talk with you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and give it a thumbs up to this video, and then let's get cleaning together. Today for my meal prep, I did some spicy salsa. I did the stuffed eggs. I cooked a full chicken in the crock pot with vegetable. I cooked some rice. I still have to do some homemade tortillas, and then we're gonna have them with fajitas. So beef with bell pepper and onions. And then at night, I'm gonna start Mississippi roast in my crock pot. So these are all the things that I do, that I try to do on the Sunday Reset. So it just makes my week so much easier. When I started doing this, I don't have to worry about cleaning during the week, except just small cleanup, and then the kids do their chores. So just to maintain, but really deep clean, it's on Sundays. Before that, I was like a month ago, I was trying to do the cleaning during the week, but then in between homeschooling and then working at night and going outside for the kids, this was not happening. So I had to do some changes. And then since I've been doing that on Sunday, it's so much better. Okay, Elijah, these are all your chores that you do. Where's Sunday? So we need to take all of the little thing out, and then you can do your chores today. So you have to put toys away, get dressed, help with indoor chores, clear table, make bed, put clothes in the washer, take care of pets, we read books for homeworks, and then brush teeth. So every day we have to do this. And then today we're Sunday, so you have to do your chores. Every day if you do your chores, then you get $1. And then at the end of the week, what do you get?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. And then I also have the kids help for their chores. So I'm gonna show you what chores they have, and this is so important. I wasn't really focusing on that before. It was more sporadically, but I realized that, like Charlotte Mason said, that it's so important to set out good habits when they're young and take time to do it while they're young, because then it's gonna make life easier when they're older. So this is something that it's harder when they're younger. You have to work, and obviously they're not gonna clean as well as you want to. You may have to clean afterwards, or just accept that it won't be perfectly done. But really spending time every day doing chores with them, and we have a nice calendar to really keep accountable. And now eventually my son, he does it more without me asking to do it too much. Of course, I still need to keep him on track because he gets distracted, but he's only 5 years old. So by the time that he's 10 years old, he's going to be able to do all these with his eyes closed. So while I clean, I love to listen to audiobooks. There's one that I really would suggest you to listen to it. It's called How to Manage Your Home Without Losing Your Mind. I love this book on keeping a tidy home, clean home. It can be so hard with multiple kids when you work, when you homeschool, however your life is. So this book is really good. And then the 3 books that I'm currently listening right now, the first one is Balance and Barefoot by Angela Hanscom. I really love that book. It tells you how important it is to spend time outside, free play for the kids, barefoot, letting them play. Really, really love this book. I think it's actually free as well. And then the second book that I'm listening to is called Glow Kids by Nicholas Cardaras. So this book is really a reminder on how you need to be careful with screen for kids, how it's like cocaine for their brain. We don't do a lot of screen in our household, but it's always a good reminder for this. And then the third book that I'm currently listening, it's called The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. We're trying to get out of that, and it's something to be working on. Okay, Sunday reset is over. Thank you for my helper, my two kids, Camila and Elijah. They are 5 and 4 years old. And thank you, Angel McMillan, for hosting this video. So this is part of a collaboration. So check out her YouTube channel below. I'm gonna put the link, and then make sure to go look at the playlist for all the other creators that have done videos for Sunday reset. So this is our life as homeschooler, that we teach kids life skill as well, and how to help around the house. So thank you so much for watching, and then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and then give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Mahalo.